We're now going to go through another one of these. So we've been given 3 on 4 and 5 on 6, and we want to figure out which of these is bigger. Now, it's very hard to tell just by looking at them because, the numerators aren't the same and the denominators aren't the same. So when you're in this scenario, what you want to do is you want to create equivalent fractions with a lowest common denominator. So that's our first step. To compare fractions, they need to have the same denominators. Find the lowest common denominator, the LCD, by finding the lowest common multiple of, and in this case, it's 4 and 6. So what's the lowest common denominator of 4 and 6? And you should be able to do this just by looking at it. 4 and 6, the lowest common denominator is going to be 12. Again, this is really just testing your timetables. Think of all your multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, and they go on forever. Think of all your multiples for 6, 6, 12, 18, and they keep going on forever. Well, it's quite clear that, if I grab a highlighter, 12 is my lowest common multiple, and that's why we've called it 12 there. So now what I want to do is I want to create some equivalent fractions where the denominators are both 12, and then I can compare them. If I want to make this 6 into 12, I will times it by 2. Whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So this is going to end up being 5 2s are 10, and 6 2s are 12. Then we'll do the same over here. I want to make the denominator 12. So 4 times what is 12 is going to have to be 3. And then up here, it has to be 3 as well. So that means I'm going to end up with 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So now, which of these are bigger? Well, because they've got the same denominator, I just need to compare the numerators. And the one with the bigger numerator is going to be bigger. So that means 10 on 12 is bigger than 9 on 12. So this is bigger. That is bigger. Just like that. And we're all done. So we can say 5 on 6 is bigger than 3 on 4. Hopefully you found this helpful.